If your pergola leaks, what is it good for anyway? Check out this call I got.
Luxury Pergola, this is Brendan.
Yes, I have a question. I bought one of your 10 by 10, and I like it, but it is not waterproof at all, for one thing.
Where's the water coming through?
The top, the canopy.
Quick question. What email address did you use to order it?
At .com.
Where are you located? I can't find an order for you.
Where am I located? I ordered it off.
Oh, we're not the manufacturer for that.
Oh, okay.
Who did you buy it from?
It does not give me the manufacturer here. The phone number she gave me was 855.
Here, let me look that up real quick. That says it's in Army Occupational Therapy. I'm sorry. I wish I could help you. The only thing I could do is sell you one of mine.
This one is up, and I'm just gonna have to call back. I'm so sorry.
I just never heard of one of our units leaking, so I was kind of astounded.
And well, this is kind of like, one of the cheaper ones, but it says it was rainproof, but it's not rainproof, so I'll have to call them back.
Okay, well, I'm glad we could figure it out. I wish I could help you more, though.
Oh, you're all right. Thank you so much.
So obviously, this nice lady had the wrong number. We don't sell on and our pergolas obviously don't leak. Now this is one of many calls we get because everybody claims to be selling luxury pergolas. We get a lot of these. So how do I know our pergolas don't leak? Well, we designed them not to. Our louver system has an interlocking shape with a weather stripping to keep the water out when the louvers close. Also, the very ends of the louvers actually sit over the gutter system by a few inches, just to make sure all that water goes into the gutters. So when I first heard this and she said it was leaking, I was really surprised. I mean, we built these ourselves locally for several years to make sure everything was perfect before offering them online. Because if it's local and there's a problem, I can service it. If you're 1,000 miles away, I want to send you something right the first time to make sure that you don't have those issues. So unfortunately, this person bought an unknown imported pergola from and it failed to do one of the essential functions for a permanent outdoor structure. What she should have done is called our folks before she bought something that she didn't fully understand. And there's a lot of really nice marketing out there and it's easy to get tricked. But we could have saved her a whole lot of headache. Even if she didn't go with us, we could have pointed her in a more honest direction. Learn more at theluxurypergola.com. And if you don't end up like this lady, give us a call at 317-597-2545.